Hi, and welcome to Wade's Weekly Update. Today is October the 21st, 2013. I, of course, am Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with Benchmark Home Loans, here serving the Nashville, Middle Tennessee area. So let's hear what's going on this week. Of course, you guys know the government, the powers that be in Washington, finally came to an agreement to reopen the government and to not default on our debt and raise the debt ceiling. So unfortunately, it's kind of a band-aid. It is not a permanent fix. I would expect that about towards the beginning of January, right after Christmas, we'll start hearing about that again, and they'll be trying to come to another agreement to keep the government from shutting down. So that's kind of what's happening there. The good news is, ever since the shutdown was over, we've had some good improvement in interest rates, and we're seem to be on the right track there. There's a lot of talk about tapering again. To keep it simple, again, the government's talking about cutting back on the bonds that they're buying, which in turn could end up raising interest rates a little bit. Again, I don't see that they're going to do that. They're going to make a decision on that here in about a week. There's the data for the economy is not good enough for them to do that, I don't believe, and that's kind of what I'm hearing right now. So I will keep you updated on that. So today I wanted to hit on myth number 4, which myth number 4 in the real estate industry is cut out the realtor and save yourself 3%. There are a number of reasons why that is a bad idea. First of all, if you're on the purchase side and you're actually buying the house, the 3% does not come out of your pocket, actually comes out of the seller's pocket. A lot of times folks believe, well, then I can negotiate and maybe save 3% and get this house a little cheaper without using a realtor. Most of the time that is not necessarily the case. What may end up happening is the realtor on the other side will just get extra commission instead of having to split it with the buyer's agent. So it really doesn't matter what side of the transaction you're on. You always want somebody representing you. Most likely there is somebody on the seller side or the buyer's side representing the person that you're on the other side of the transaction. So you certainly want to make sure that somebody's looking out for your behalf. So I could not reiterate enough that myth number 4, cutting out the realtor, is extremely bad idea. You always want to make sure you've got a good realtor looking out for your behalf in that transaction, in any real estate transaction. So, and I did want to reiterate, as far as where interest rates are right now, interest rates are at the same level they were about 4 months ago. So as of Friday and this morning, interest rates are about where they were about 4 months ago. So really good levels right now. It's a great time to kind of see what you can get qualified for and try to go looking for a new house. So, and as always, if there is ever anything I can do to help you, certainly give me a shout, shoot me a text at 615-335-3356. I'll be glad to do whatever I can to help you and try to get you in the right position to purchase a house. So again, my name is Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with Benchmark Home Loans here in Nashville, Middle Tennessee area. Hope you have a great week, and we will talk next week. Bye-bye.